How to download Instagram draft reels with music. This tutorial shows you how to save your draft reels with all edits and music to your device gallery. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Next, tap on the Reels icon at the bottom navigation bar. Following that, tap on the camera icon in the top right corner to access your drafts. Now, tap on Drafts at the bottom to view all your saved draft reels. Moving forward, find the draft reel with music that you want to download and tap on it. Afterwards, the draft will open in the editing screen with all your effects and music intact. In addition to that, tap on the three dots icon in the bottom right corner. Once there, look for Save or Download option in the menu. Subsequently, tap on Save to Device or Download to save the reel with music to your gallery. Moreover, Instagram will process and save the reel with all edits, including the music track. Afterwards, the video will be saved to your Gallery app in the Instagram or Reels folder. Then, you can access the downloaded reel anytime from your device's gallery. Within the saved video, all effects, transitions, text, and music will be included. Alternatively, if the save option doesn't appear, you can post the reel first and then download it from your profile. Once downloaded, you'll have a copy of your reel with music saved locally on your device. And that's it. If this draft reel download guide helped you save your creative content, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram creator tips, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.